All right, last and final reason why why high value men succeed with women is simply this, right? They keep it sexy, man. They keep it sexy, right? Right? They keep it sexy. And what I mean by that is just the way they dress and just the way they talk, the way they look, right? You got to keep it sexy for these ladies, right? What do I mean by that? How do you dress? Simply this, right? When you dress, right, like I keep trying to tell you guys, you got to dress the part. Even if you're wearing a suit, to a woman, even just that is sexy. But if you don't want to get suited up, with the tie and everything, just you don't even have to wear a blazer, right? But unbutton, the first the three buttons, right? Show some chest, right? Just look for some designer stuff here and there, not too expensive, but you just gotta separate. You gotta find a way, right, to separate yourself from the way other men are dressing, right? Whether you're gonna be super professional looking, you're gonna be super suited up, or you're going to be super clubby with distinct colors and stuff like that, right? Distinguish yourself.